Hello and welcome to my second video journal. First of all, I want to apologize for my voice because I'm really sick. But anyway, on today's video, I will talk about interpretation and analysis of emotions and emotional hygiene. We had this activity which was very similar to one that we already did. The one about listening a song and then telling what emotions that song will bring just by hearing it. But this one, I think it was much better than that one because the teacher told us to form groups. He gave each one of us a sheet of paper and some pencils, and he explained that he was going to put some songs and we had to draw whatever that comes to our minds. The first song was really quiet. I could tell that a violin was the main instrument. Made me relaxed and made me think about this typical romantic movie scene when there's a couple driving on the road. They are both laughing and there's music on the radio. The girl's hair moving with the wind and things like that. And the landscape was trees, many trees on both sides of the road. The sunlight trying to pass through the leaves and the branches. It was all really beautiful in my mind. I wish I could show you my drawing, but I lost it. It was not the best drawing though. It had just a car on the middle, the road and the trees, obviously the sun, and that's it. But it had just what I imagined. The second song was Happy, and all I could do was to draw a big red mouth smiling and with some sparkles, along with some tornadoes that I wanted to put as a representation of things spinning. I still don't know why I thought about things spinning, like for example the world or a basketball. I said, how can I draw this in an easy way? And so I did tornadoes. It's really weird, but he said, don't think, just draw. And that's exactly what I did. At the end of the class, we discussed about why we did those drawings. And this is my favorite part so far because it amazes me how different could be an interpretation of the same thing. Although most of them in the first song did sad drawings or things related with the color blue, and in the second song most of them did happy faces or people dancing, all the possibilities are still so unique and fascinating. My classmates did amazing drawings and with an entirely different meaning compared to mine. I was completely delighted with everything. I think this is my favorite activity so far because it can lead to a million possibilities, and I wish I could do this again. On the other hand, we talked about emotional hygiene and what does it mean to us. With my partner, we defined emotional hygiene as a way of cleaning ourselves, being aware of our emotions and taking care of them. With all of our classmates, we discussed about the control of our emotions and our ways to deal with them. For example, when I'm anxious, I tend to eat, or when I'm feeling sad, I just try to sleep. With this, I discovered so much about how I actually manage my emotions and how I should deal with them in the future too, maybe in a new way. I learned about it hearing my classmates and thinking that maybe I should adopt some of their mechanisms because they sounded really helpful and effective. Well, this was all for today. I hope you liked it and see you on the next video journal.